Hey everyone, welcome back to another exciting review video. Today I have an amazing product to show you that will revolutionize the way you use your car's multimedia system. Introducing the Carlinkit 4.0 for wired to wireless CarPlay adapter Android Auto dongle. This incredible device allows you to upgrade your original wired CarPlay function to wireless, making it easier and more convenient than ever to use your car's multimedia features. One of the best things about the Carlinkit 4.0 is how easy it is to use. There's no need to disassemble anything, simply plug and play. It's compatible with a wide range of car models and supports steering wheel control, knob operation, and voice operation, just like the original car system. Not only that, but it also provides a safe hands-free driving experience, allowing you to make and receive calls, check voicemails, and even bring up maps without taking your hands off the wheel. What's even more impressive is the latest version 2.0 online upgrade, allowing you to continually update and improve the device. And with support for over 98% of car models with the original CarPlay function, you can be sure that the Carlinkit 4.0 will work seamlessly with your vehicle. In addition, this device is incredibly compact and lightweight, making it easy to install and use. It's compatible with iPhone with iOS 10 and above and supports 5G Wi-Fi plus Bluetooth 5.0 dual connection transmission for seamless connectivity. So if you want to bring your car's multimedia system into the 21st century, I highly recommend checking out the Carlinkit 4.0 for wired to wireless CarPlay adapter Android Auto dongle. Don't miss out on the opportunity to upgrade your driving experience. Click the link in the description to get your own Carlinkit 4.0 today. Trust me, you won't regret it.